Guys, so there has been a lot of new players in the game when it comes to 3D printed sliders. I have a bunch, but I've actually sent all my good ones over to Fidget Focus to get reviewed. But this guy has made a new one, and it's called the Tron. Inspired by the movie or the show. Oh my god, I love that. I grew up with it. But it's just a design he made, kind of look like it. And at first it was really thick. It was like somebody called it like a chunky boy, like a Tonka truck, because it's like yellow. But he redesigned it to be thinner, and he sent me one for review. Let's do it. Let's do it. I've been loving me some 3D printed sliders, and I'm super excited about this one. Okay. What? He has different colors. I'm gonna do before I turn the camera around, I'll do a whole video of his Etsy. But I like this yellow one, or gold. So this is 3D printed. It's a good size. I just reviewed this gal. Okay. I like the 3D printed work. It looks really good. Texture's nice right here. Before I even slide it. Okay. Looks like that there's not slide tape, but it almost feels rubbery on the inside. Oh my god, the magnet strength is insane, bruh. Wow. Holy shit. I think this crazy dude put like 52s up in here. I have forever. Oh my god. I have not seen a 3D printed with such strong magnets. Okay, hold on a second. I want to compare it to the haptic EDC one. Okay, back. So the reason why is because this one has very strong magnets as well. A lot of people say this is the surge from haptic EDC, that this is like one of the best 3D printed sliders around. It is thinner. Okay, so let me see. Are the magnet strengths the same? Ow. Bro, this is incredibly strong. That is insane. Yeah, they're the same. Okay. Wow. Very satisfying. Really, 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 really good slider. Okay. So I will say a little bit more grip. Because the magnets are so strong, you really need to be able to hammer down on it. Like for this one, these ridges create a nice little spot for your thumb to push up on. Now you can use, this has a lot of actual like texture grip, but it's completely flat. So you really got to hold on to it. But dude, this is, I gotta say, this is one of the fucking best sliders I have felt, bro. Holy shit. Let me see if I could do some of those tricks you can do. The only thing, can't really, can I do those in the, with this one? Let me see. No, it's really hard to do those kinds of tricks with a 3D printed. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, man, dude, the magnets are so strong, like my hand's cramping up, bro. You know what? I'm going to pause it, show you the Etsy site, and then I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can get a better look. Okay, so here she be. Oh, let me get a little bit brighter up in here. I wanna zoom in a little bit. All right, here she be. There's a size comparison. So thin. The magnets are so strong. All right, now I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you guys can kind of see it in action a little bit. God, I need better lighting up in here. Whew. I would say that for hand fatigue, maybe raise up this part a little bit, like a slope, so I have something to put my finger on. It's just, the magnets are so strong. It feels great though, bro. I mean, these criticisms are tiny. God. And I thought that the Apex from 3DC Printings was amazing. Bro. This thing is freaking baller. Wow. Yeah, so I would say really my only criticisms would be give me a little bit more grip because this thing is a monster. It needs like, you need to really like use a lot of strength to even push it because of how strong the magnets are. You hear that? Bam! So I really have to push it. But it's not hard too. And I don't know what he did with the plates, but there's not fucking tape on here. But yet they slide great. See, with 3DC, there's like a tape on one side. So I don't know what he used, but it's great. And it looks fantastic, bro. Yeah, I would say literally that is my only criticism. Is give me something a little bit more, a little raised up so I can really dig my finger in. Maybe like make, you know how like the Toad has like raised up bumps? Maybe like that. It actually feels very smooth to the touch. But I would 100% recommend this. Wow. This is amazing. Like amazing. Wow. 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 I can't say enough good things about it, bruh. Shit, it's different colors. Look, there's blue and red. Let's take a look at the design a little bit, huh? Oh man, I hate my fucking camera, bro. I need a better camera. Wow. Three click. This thing is awesome. Phew. Well done. I don't even know the name. I don't even know if this guy has a name of his business. I have to look at that Etsy. I haven't filmed that part yet. But like the address is just straight up from him. But so I will say that it's as good as this. The only difference is there's some hand fatigue involved because it's not as grippy. Whereas this, you can really press down on here. It makes it easy to use. Whereas this, God, the magnets are fucking insane, bro. So, well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hey guys. Okay, Rayge3D is the name of the dude who makes the Tron slider. I didn't realize, but he has a bunch of stuff up here. I like the whole cat killing somebody and he like, what? What did I do? He really likes cats, this dude. Okay, but what we're here to look at is this Tron. Interesting, though, that he's got a few different sliders. Okay, Tron. $35. So... he's got... these are the colors. I picked the gold one. I think he needs to... they all look a little similar. I think you need to have like a all blue one and like a green one and stuff. But no, I think they look awesome. The white ones, I almost went white, but I had to do the yellow. I love that they're different colors on each side. So you can select your color. It's $35. Looks like he's got other stuff here too. See, this is how fat they used to be. See how fat that is? Although, I bet it was still a really good slider. And then this is a thinner skull one. Oh, I think I might have seen these dudes around. Huh. So, yep. So, I'll put the link in the description.